I can feel the raindrops on the beach. I can feel the rain dropping on me. I can feel the rain dropping on me. I can feel the raindrops. I can feel the raindrops. When I see my girl, she give me a lot. I hope me and her can meet at the rain spot on the beach. I'm chilling with a hell of a scene. People running around, people just walking. Some people riding around on motherfucking horses. People wanna all be bosses, but my boss upstairs and nobody ever play with us. He's a full bully. All we do is smoke on our Phillies. Park, Easy E, Mr. Rakeem, and the G.O.D. We formed up for bullies. See the water you wanna play? We really get down on today. We chilling by the water. The water, I can feel the raindrops. I can feel the raindrops. I said, I can feel the raindrops. I can feel the raindrops. I just seen the cops. They was rolling down the block. Maybe somebody told them I was barking a lot, but you can't catch me when I'm on the spot. Only thing I feel is raindrops, and I got a blunt in my hand. Can't wait to spark. Can't wait to get with my girl left the dock. See the water right there? She's gonna chill with me cause I'm so hard. Speaking of hard, let me talk about Jimmy. I go Jimmy happy when I'm with her. See, only thing I feel is raindrops. Play with Mr. Rakeem is the guarantee I take you right off the block. Mm. All I feel is raindrops. All I like to do is chill at the spot. I love watching the raindrops. All I do is chill on the spot.